Today explaining in a topic is the explaining in topic is Eisenberg uncertainty principle. Eisenberg uncertainty principle. Eisenberg uncertainty. Eisenberg 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 uncertainty principle principle. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle is discovered by is 1927 is Werner 1927 is Werner Heisenberg is present the 1927 Werner Heisenberg 19 is discovered by the 1927 Heisenberg Werner Heisenberg is represented by. This is what is the uncertainty principle? What is the uncertainty principle? What is the uncertainty principle? The principle means this is the uncertainty principle. It is impossible to measure the exact position and momentum. Exact position and exact momentum. Exact position and momentum is the of a body of small electron. Of a body as small as an electron. This is the impossible to measure the position and momentum is as a small body of an electron. This is any electron or movement of any electron momentum and position is not calculated in this uncertainty principle rule. Uncertainty principle rule means the uncertainty of measurement of position is delta x. Delta x means the uncertainty of measurement of position. Measurement of position. Delta V means the uncertainty of measurement of momentum. The uncertainty of measurement of momentum. This is a delta x and a delta phi. Delta phi greater than or equal to h by 4 phi. This is delta x and delta x and delta phi greater than or equal to h by 4 phi. Delta x, delta m mass and velocity greater than or equal to h by 4 phi. H means h is a Planck's constant. H is a Planck constant. For m is mass of electron and mass of m is means mass of electron is electron means 9 into 10 to the power of 9.10 and 9.10 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. This is the product is uncertainty is this product of uncertainty is quite large. Okay, delta x and delta phi greater than or equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 27 by 4 5 m 4 5 m. This is 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 27 by 4 into 3.14 into 9.10 is already mass value is equal to 9.10 into 10 to the power of minus 28. This value is equal to exactly, this is exactly not known, this is accurately not known, this is a measure in the average 0.57 the ergs per second per meter. This is a delta x and delta e is equal to uncertainty product. This is a small size small product. Now this is a not calculated value. This is not calculated, see, not concluded value. This is uncertainty, NCR, uncertainty. This is uncertainty product now. This is a uncertainty product now. In this case, the bigger particle, the value of uncertainty, the bigger particle of value. In this case, the bigger particle, the value of uncertainty product is the bigger particle. The bigger particle. Here, bigger particle. This the value of uncertainty is negligible. Okay. This uncertainty on the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is equal to momentum is equal to, in this case momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Is equal to mass into velocity by time into time now. Is the velocity means velocity by time into time now. This is mass means force and force into time now. The momentum the momentum into distance is equal to force into distance into time. Distance into time. This is a delta P under delta x is equal to delta E into delta T. This is a delta E delta T greater than or equal to h by 4. This is the energy, this is the time, this h is a Planck's constant 5 value. Okay, this is a finish now in this video.